everyone, this is Lina from Star. The global economy these days has been a little bit hard due to the pandemic that we have suffered in the recent years. And also starting a business is a little bit difficult too, but it doesn't mean it's impossible. The first thing that you need if you want to start a business, such as a printing business, is funding. That it's something very important. If you buy a DTF printer, this one is your investment that you need to protect. But if you don't keep it in good condition, you will waste a lot of money. In today's video, I'm gonna give you 5 tips to keep your DTF printer in good condition, as well as some tips related to the computer and network settings. Now, let's start.
Tip 1. White in circulation speed in normal work. In normal work, it is enough to adjust the white in circulation speed to about 5 to 10. Tip 2. Nozzle rubbing on print solutions. During printing, if the nozzle is suddenly wiped, do not wait and deal with it in time. Solution. Turn off the machine. Manually move the print head to the left and gently wipe the bottom of the nozzle with a cleaning stick. Turn on the machine and clean it. Under normal circumstances, repeat it twice. The test strip will be complete. If it's not complete, soak it into the pure water for 3 or 5 minutes and then clean it, and it is basically solved. But if it still doesn't work, change the purified water to a cleaning liquid and repeat the previous steps. Tip 3. Nozzle print test before turning off. Before turning off the printer each time, print a test strip to check the status of the nozzle. If it's not good, clean it in time. Shut down the machine after the test strip is complete. Tip 4. Automatic cleaning and ink pumping function. It is recommended to start printing every day. If conditions permit, soft shut down and keep white in circulation. If you take a long break or go on vacation, just add enough ink. Turn on the automatic cleaning and automatic ink pumping functions and set the timing, which can last for 1 month. Tip 5. Pump ink and clean after not using it for a long time. If it is not used for a long time, the test strip will not come out. Pump ink, called load ink in the software, every time you pump up 30 seconds and then intermittently for 30 seconds, clean and then pump again. If the nozzle is still in poor condition, pump ink for 1 minute each time. Clean it and then intermittently for 30 seconds, repeat.
Our Star 3 series and above printers have the following requirements. Number 1. Both the computer and the machine need to be connected to the same LAN network to be used. As for the computer network and the computer settings, we have the following reminders for you.
Gigabit LAN. Our Star series printer are with only Gigabit LAN cable interfaces, so the computer must be also a Gigabit LAN. Otherwise, the software and the machine cannot be connected. You can check the transmission speed and the name of the LAN to confirm whether it is Gigabit. USB 3.0 interface. If you insist on using a notebook with only USB interface, you must use a single interface, USB 3.0 GB wired high-speed network card with good performance. Windows 10 system. In terms of system, it's best to use Windows 10, and Windows 7 is also fine. But neither Windows 11 nor Apple system is recommended. In addition, as for the configuration of the computer, such as the CPU needs to be above i5. It is the best to reserve more than 100 GB of space for the disk and at least 8 GB of memory.
If you like this video and if you like the content that we upload every week, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel and share. This is all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.